Hello friends and welcome back to the Tech Legend channel. So friends, today I will talk about MSI new industrial light box MS-C918 mini PC. So friend, MSI IPC is proud to announce the launch new industrial light box product, the MS-C918, and it is designed to meet the diversified need to modern business with a focus on cost effective, easy to use and portability. And the MS-C918 is a palm-sized IPC featuring a Intel Alder Lake N100 processor and tailoring for ultra-power solutions, and key features include compact size 80 mm into 80 mm and 36 mm palm size for easy handling, and display capabilities include dual independent display via two HDMI 2.0 port, up to 4K resolution, and expand your workspace and unleash your creativity with your display, and HDMI CES on off function, and you can manage the device display connection and power of the system on or off using the HDMI CES function with the displays with remote control, and storage options include eMMC 128 GB storage and SD slot for up to 2 TB of external storage, and connectivity include Wi-Fi 6E, Bluetooth version 5.2, and 1 gigabit LAN with RJ45 port, and support base amount with VSAT standard design, and it easily transfer into a display in any workspace to increase the flexibility. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.